Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chuck. It's Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. So today I'm in a neighborhood called Reverie by Lennar. We've got 3 different modern style homes to tour today. And I'm out here in Lake Las Vegas, which is the city of Henderson. So we're located east of the Las Vegas Valley. So right over here, you're gonna be able to see the lakes, beautiful, nice mountain views. You'll see the South Shores, beautiful homes. You know, Celine Dion has a home right over here. Now these lots right here with the view fencing, you'll have a full lake view, which is really nice. This is a gated community. You have 4 different models, but 3 are displayed right now. You got the Elizabeth, the Pioneer, and the Antoinette model. So we're gonna be focusing on the Elizabeth model. So the Elizabeth model, the base price starts off at $765,000, I believe, on this one. It features 2,516 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. As you can see how large this garage is. I mean, this is what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 feet, 14-foot garage. You got some pavers. Now with Lennar, pretty much what you see is what you get. You do have a couple features and options that you can pick and choose from. Now on the stucco, there's a couple things I want to share with you. On the exterior of the stucco, you really got to take a look at it because there's a lot of patchwork like this right here. As you can see, that what happened was they probably had a scaffold that was stuck to it. I took off that scaffold and they repatched it, but it's not blended very well, and the discoloration of the paint. So just something that you guys need to take a look at when you are finishing building your home out here in Vegas, especially on the exterior. One thing I didn't mention in a long time is, you know, you got to check the roof as well, because the roof, right, the tile roof will crack, and a lot of times you guys don't see that. On these ones, they don't have any eaves because this is more of a straight modern. So this is probably a flat roof here on the top here, okay? We got some dents on the panels. Typically, those are hard to fix. It's just better just to replace the panels. All right, we're gonna go inside. This is nice. It has a French door here. Nice and cool. One thing I've noticed as soon as we come in is the hallways are nice and wide through the entry. We got the skip trowel texture, straight edge cornering. Looks like we have a bedroom here. So let's go take a look at this bedroom first. Now on this one, there's, oh, it's actually a suite. 10-foot ceilings, I do like that. The blinds do come with it. Carpets are a little bit upgraded, which is really nice. And I definitely love the 10-foot ceilings on a single story. It really opens up the floor plan. So we have a walk-in closet. Feels like this walk-in closet is a 6x6. And you just have one light right here. I would probably change that out for a fluorescent light. Not a fluorescent light, but yeah, fluorescent light. What am I saying? So we have a nice high vanity, which is really nice. White countertops. Under-mounted sink, core-in countertops, and Moen fixtures. Okay. Got one light here. I feel like we need more light because at nighttime this is gonna be pretty dark. Oh, so this is actually a Jack and Jill bathroom. It looks like we have 12 by 24 tile, and I love the fiberglass tub. This is an aqua, one whole piece. And then we got the toilet here. It takes us right into the bathroom, or the sink, for the second bedroom. We have a half bath here. Now this room right here is a little bit smaller. I would say. I mean, this is probably a 10 by 10. Got the transfer grill. Now they do make these with the next gen as well, which is the Pioneer. And we're going to take a look at the Pioneer up close. I actually have a client, 2 clients that are actually interested from Florida, so I want to give you a quick shout out. They went back to Florida, and I figured why not just come back and do a video for you guys too as well. I already sold a couple in here. I just never had a chance to do the video home tour. Here is the garage. Look at this garage. This thing is massive. So if you have a RV, right? Look at that. I love the fact that you have a door here. So if you wanted to like pack in a couple cars, you could probably pack in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably like 7 cars in here, or an RV. This thing is huge. Very huge. Also, a lot of builders now, they will not leave the bucket of paint with you. Reason why is because there was actually a lawsuit where somebody got into the paint, one of the kids, and got sick by messing around with the paint, so they no longer leave the paint. But make sure to get your one-time free coupon with the paint codes for your home, okay? The exterior, you should be able to get that from the HOA too as well. Now, on this one, Emser is the contractor with Lennar. As you can see, there's some leftover tile. Make sure to request for your leftover tile. Looks like we have a 75-gallon tank. See if we can turn on the lights here, okay? Now, one thing I've noticed down here is that we have our drain line. So this is your gray line. Make sure to find out where all your gray lines are at too as well, so that way if you ever have to snake your home. And this is also important. You really need to know the mechanics of your home. It's like an automobile. You need to know how your car works, right? So as we come in, beautiful open floor plan, as you can see. This island right here is probably 6 by 10. This is a very large island, and I do like this. It kind of gives you that more gourmet type of kitchen, right, with this large island. It's great for entertaining. 42 upper cabinets. Now, these are not the white shaker cabinets here. These are, I forget the name and the style of these cabinets. Let me know in the comments below. See if these are fast closing cabinets. Definitely missing some hand pulls here. Kind of give that custom look. You got some staple cabinets, fast closing as well. And then we have our quartz countertops. Now, let's take a look in the back here. We have the pantry. Pantry is definitely decent size, I would say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We have a 6-panel door. These doors are 8 feet with the 4 hinges. That's how you know they're 8 feet versus 6 to 8. If you have 4 hinges here, you know it's an 8-foot door. There's one place that you always need to take a look is the bottom of these. These are actually the toe kick. The toe kick, this is where they miss a lot of the blemishes with the builder. Superintendent kind of, you don't really see it, but if you want to get attention to detail, just something that you just really need to take a look at here. So this is an upgrade GE packaged appliances. Then we have our microwave. Let's see if this thing exhausts out. Yes, that's something you definitely want to check, which is really nice. And then we have our refrigerator. Let's get another look from this side here. Let's take a look at the dishwasher. I know some of you guys like the dishwasher. This is like an apartment grade dishwasher. As you can see, this is not tight in and it's scraping here. Under mounted sink, and we have a nice gooseneck faucet. Somebody left their coffee cup. It's not cool. I do like this. This is a 9-foot slide. No, 4, 4, 8, 12-foot slide here. These are vinyl. They're not your top tier slide whatsoever, but I do love the backyard. These backyards are here are really large. As you can see, we have some nice travertine for the flooring here. Beautiful covered patio. This is the exterior door for the primary. Now this is a decent sized backyard. Could you fit a pool? Yes, you can definitely fit a pool. However, for me, I like low maintenance. This is still going to be a lot of maintenance with all these plants here, believe it or not. It doesn't look like it's too much, but there's a lot. Looks like we have one AC unit. This is a Bryant, and that's probably a 14 SEER AC unit. I'm not gonna go back there because I don't want to dirty my shoes. I know that sounds bougie, but oh well. Now let's take a look here. So we have synthetic grass. Now this is not your top synthetic grass here. There's all different levels of synthetic grass, and basically how you measure the quality of the synthetic grass, as you can see, it all leans one way, okay? Now the ones that are more straight up, there's all different color and variations, and it's based upon how many of these, I'm not too sure what they're called, but within 1 inch, okay, how many of these are compacted together, okay? So this is not your top grade synthetic grass. However, it's good enough, okay? Also, you can have different colors and different grades of these, so something to look at. All right, let's go back inside because it is getting a little bit hot here. Vegas today's 98 degrees, they were saying. In addition to that, on the news, they did mention that this is the longest days in Vegas. I think 269 days they were saying on the news that it has not hit 100 degrees. And it's been over like 15, 20 years, they were saying on the news. However, 98 degrees versus 100 degrees is freaking hot. I mean, this is like a sweat box, right? Now let's go take a look at the primary. We have our thermostat here, and then we have our laundry room coming here. Primary here, laundry room. Wow, look at this smart panel box, 48 inch. On this one, I love the layout of the laundry room, as you can see. Got the upgraded cabinets. Washer and dryer are not included, but we could always negotiate this. Right now, Lennar is really giving out good incentives, and I've sold a lot of the Lennar products lately this year. And I work with one direct sales manager, so I want to give a quick shout out to Billy. This guy always goes to bat for me. Well, it's a little bit easier when you're dealing with the sales manager, right? All right, so here, primary, very large. Cool wallpaper, by the way. Carpet. Now, carpet is just one level up than a standard, but the padding on here is so soft, it feels so good. Here's the exterior door to the back. Now let's go take a look at the, oh, another thermostat right here. Let's go take a look at this bathroom. So as I come into the bathroom, off to my left, we have the walk-in closet with a couple shelves. And Lennar is the only one now that will build shelves like this for you, which is, I think is kind of cool. We got 24 by 12 on the tile. I love that glass here. That's cool. Look at that. So let's take a look at this together. You get your walk-in shower. I'd probably rip that out and tile all that. So that's not an option that you guys can do here with Lennar. Again, what you see is what you get. Now they do have some standing inventory. There's only like 4 left for the standing inventory. But those are the ones that you're gonna get a discount in today's market. Now this door is like the cheapest door ever. It's not quality, okay? Here, as you can see, this is already splitting, okay? The reason why this is splitting because it's hot, expands and contracts. So you're gonna get this probably for your first year. This doesn't happen all the time. This is the first time I've ever seen this happen right here on this corner piece. That means there's such a gap. They glued this and the wall is actually flexing. But that would be easy fix with some caulking. However, what's probably gonna have to happen, here I'm gonna go back. This has to be removed. This has to be slid over. And then you have to recaulk that. Undermounted sink. Overall, not bad. Well, guys, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property, if you guys can see yourselves living here. And What do you guys know about Lake Las Vegas? And also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, today at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, every Wednesday, we bring on a new guest that has to do with the Las Vegas industry, or the real estate industry. We like to get, second, third, fourth opinions on what's going on with the housing market, because what I tell you, right, you may not believe me. You may have to listen to somebody else, even though I always tell you how it is. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys haven't had a chance to like, comment, and subscribe, go ahead and do that right now. Other than that, be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.